Good day to everyone. Today we will see the efficiency basics, not in very much detail, in the transformers. Okay, so this is the topic for today. So here, see, one thing I will always say, see, in GATE you have to solve the problem. So you should know that what you must remember and what all things you should keep in your mind relating to that concept or that formula. Okay, so that is the way. So you have to practice more and more questions. No matter how much theory you read, you won't get anywhere. Okay, so this is your eta. Eta is denoting efficiency. It's given by x into kVA cos phi. kVA is the apparent power, the rating, S rating. The unit for apparent power is kVA. VA. So we are taking it as kVA. So it is just a good practice to remember in this fashion because it helps in solving problem. So x kVA cos phi. This is your power. See what is eta? P out by P in into 100. Okay. So you can write it down as P out by P out plus losses into 100. Okay, so using this thing only we are writing this expression. Okay, so it will be x kVA cos phi. Okay, you are getting the analogy how I am taking this, and you have your iron losses Pi and you have your copper losses. See, copper losses are I square R, so these depend on the current taken by the load. Okay, so so what you do is you have to put this factor, and since it is I square, so you have to put it in x square P Cu. Okay, so that is the thing. So that is the formula, and the next formula that you should remember in the case is here that your it's if it's given, see, I operating is equal to x into IFL. See, what does it mean? See, if it is saying that the transformer is operating at full load, so that means your I operation is equal to I full load, so your x is 1. Okay, if it's saying that the transformer is operating at half the load, so for half load your I operating is I full load by 2, so your x will come out to be half. Okay, so I hope you are getting. Example, if I operating, okay, I will write it in this fashion. Example, if transformer operates at half load. Okay, so this implies that your I operating, always the loading affects the current. Okay, that you should always keep in your mind. Your I operating is half into I full load. Okay, so putting this in this expression, what you will get is, okay, I can rub these. So you will get your I operating as half IFL is equal to x into IFL. So your x will come out to be half. Okay, so that is what I want to say, just for example. So you have to remember these two equations, and I'm guaranteeing you that many questions you will solve if you know how to put values in these. Okay, so you're just have to take care for x, and this Pi remains same. It is not affected by the loading. It is, you have to calculate for the rated conditions, and your PCU is for the rated, but you have to vary this x accordingly. Okay, phi cos phi is the power factor, kVA is the transformer rating. Okay, so that is all the thing. And if you are putting it in kVA, that you are using k units, that is into 10 to the power 3, so you try to put Pi and PCU also in the terms of kilowatts. Okay, so that is the thing. I hope you know that you have to be consistent with these units that you are using. So that is the whole logic behind using these two formulas. You should know how to use them. Okay, so that is the main point. Okay, and always remember that the transformer efficiency will come out close to 98, 99. Okay, so it will range in these values only. If you are getting it like 90 to 93, then you should recheck your question. It is very, very, very rare. It won't happen. Okay, So that is also you should keep in your mind. So these are few tricks that you should remember, and then you can solve the questions easily. Always remember you have to strike the question. Okay, no matter how much theory you read. Okay, so this is done. Okay, yeah. So this is all for this video.